How to enable dark mode on YouTube. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you simply need to open YouTube app and make sure to log into your account. Now navigate to U icon at bottom right to head towards your profile page. Choose the gear icon at top right corner of your screen. Now you need to select general option. Here you can see a list of options available. Select appearance. A pop-up menu will appear where here you can see the dark theme option. Select dark theme. And now you have successfully enabled dark mode on YouTube application. If you wish to disable it, you can easily follow the same step and disable dark mode on YouTube by selecting light mode or the device mode. So that's all for today. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.